Cursor AI has a very similar interface to that of VS Code. So let me open a project, create a new folder saying, let's say, Cursor Trial 1, and let me select that folder. In the Cursor AI, we have a chat window on the side, and this particular video is to add the MCP tool in the Cursor window. So we go to File, Preferences, Cursor Settings, and here we can go to MCP. Already I have added a new global MCP server. Now I can add another MCP server. I can add it here, any number of MCP servers that I want. This is one possibility, and these are called as global MCP servers, and they are found in globally in mcp.json. The other way to add an MCP server, and very specifically to the local, is I need to add n.cursor/mcp.json. This is going to create a tool which can be used locally. If you can see this, already we have the mcp.json added to the chat window. Now let me add what I need. To this I need to go to MCP registry. To install a third-party server, there are multiple MCP registries. One such registry is in GitHub, and I need the time, which has the time and time zone conversion capabilities. I have to first pip install that as it is shown here. After I pip install, I have to use this particular JSON file and copy it in mcp.json. First it has to be an MCP server, and then there is a format in which the entire JSON is written, and all that I have to do for that is just give tab in cursor. It gives me the correct format. Now that I have this, let me save it, and then I know that I have time, but it has not yet been enabled, so I will need to enable it. After enabling it, let me give what is the time in Berlin. I have to first install the one that is expected. So let me pip install MCP server time as it is given in the GitHub. Let me first check what happens if I get the time in Berlin now. So it automatically says that there is a tool and that can run the tool. Please note this time has to be enabled, and this is a project managed one because I wrote it inside cursor MCP JSON. I can also add it as a global tool, in which case it will be available for all my projects. And so all I have to do is I have to add the time in the global tool, and I add it here. And all the mistakes can be corrected using a tab. And this tool right now is going to be globally available in all your projects.